Here's a look at the RH flagship store in Yorkdale. This is the top floor, 4th floor, with the outdoor patio area where you can actually sit outside and I think eat in summer. Rooftop patio, so it's very nice. It can have a nice view of the Yorkdale area. It's very nice. 4th floor, overseeing the Yorkdale and surrounding area. And, the courtyard is the 1st floor restaurant area. Let's go check it out. Beautiful grand staircase. Lots of beautiful upscale furniture here. RH Modern, I guess. This is a huge furniture store. So, 2nd floor now. And going down to the 1st floor. Going into the courtyard now. This is where the restaurant is located.